How to bring back the missing app drawer icon on Samsung phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can bring back the missing app drawer icon on your Samsung smartphone. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, I'm sure what you're talking about is previously we used to have the app drawer icon somewhere on our home screen so that whenever we tap on it, it would open up all of these app drawers. And that app drawer would similarly look like the similar kind of dots which you have on normal Android phones. However, on the recent update, that has actually been removed by default. But I will show you a way on how you can get it back. So all you need to do is press the thumbs up button in this video and subscribe to my channel. Now all I will do is what you have to do is on the Samsung home screen, you have to simply long press on the empty space. Once you long press on the empty space, you'll enable these options. Go ahead and select settings. And as you open settings, you can see home screen settings at the top. We'll scroll down and you'll find this option which says show app screens button on home screen. So you're talking about the app screen drawer or the app drawer icon missing it. So it's not really missing, it's just basically hidden and removed from the default version. So all we will do is turn on this toggle next to show app screen button on home screen. Now when we come back to our main home screen, you'll be able to see that particular app icon drawer, which is the app drawer icon which you were talking about. And if you tap on it, it will basically open up all of these options. So if I go ahead and select it, you can see just like that. Now, aside from to the right hand side, you can also simply drag this and then move them somewhere in between. So you could go ahead and basically drag this as well and move them somewhere in between if you wanted to. But basically, you have this option right over here if you wanted to actually change them. And this is how you can bring back the missing app drawer icon on Samsung phone. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.